assistant at the Huron Public Library. Today we're doing week 2 of the summer reading programs craft, and that is the treasure chest. You're going to want to grab the envelope that says week 2 and get out the kit contents. Got the treasure chest, red paint, yellow paint, and the craft instructions. And then you're going to want to provide your own paintbrushes. So we're going to start with our red paint, and we're going to paint the majority of the box. Let's start on the side here and avoid the tape part and just do in between. You just keep painting all the way around. Make sure you get the feet down there. And the top as well. If you want to be really particular, you can pop it open and get that edge on the inside. And if you're adventurous, there's a little gap right there above the tape that you can try to get as well. And then you just keep moving your way around the treasure chest. So just make sure you get all of the edges, especially these little gaps right at the corners of everything. Make sure you get your paintbrush down in there. So now that the red has dried, we're going to switch to our yellow paint and do all these tape pieces that we had missed. For the yellow, I found 2 coats worked best because that brown really likes to show through. So you're just going to keep spreading your paint along all of these different tape sections. And that's going to dry, and I'll come back and put a second coat on that one later. Move on to the next section here. So if you mess up and get on top of something, if you catch it right away, you can wipe off the majority of it. You can also take a paper towel and wipe that off as well. And perhaps the hardest part to pay attention to is around the clasp here. Just want to make sure that you get close to it. You may have to clean it off after you're done. The bigger your paintbrush, the more likely you are to get paint on it. You can wipe that off later. As you finish up your yellow, just double check if there's any spots like I've got here with some red ended up in the way. Try to cover that up. And then you should be all finished painting your treasure chest. Okay, so you got that all finished, and then you can use it to store anything you want, any treasures you've got sitting around at home. I'm Leslie. Thanks for joining me for week 2 of the summer reading program's craft, the treasure chest. We would love to see your photos, so if you want to share them with us, you can share them to the Kids Corner Facebook or the Children's Librarian's email. And we look forward to seeing you next week for week 3, which you would have registered either for the sock whale or the washcloth teddy bear.